First, gather your materials: a laptop chassis, a motherboard, a processor, RAM, a hard drive or SSD, and a display. Start by preparing your workspace, ensuring it's clean and static-free. Next, take the motherboard and carefully install the processor into its socket, securing it with the locking mechanism. Then, add the RAM sticks into their designated slots, ensuring they click into place. Now, attach the hard drive or SSD, connecting it to the motherboard with the appropriate cables. Once that's done, place the motherboard into the laptop chassis, aligning it with the screw holes. Secure it tightly. Next, connect the display to the motherboard, making sure the cables are snug. Now, install the battery and connect it to the motherboard. Finally, close the chassis, securing it with screws. Plug in the charger, power it on, and if everything's done correctly, you'll see the startup screen. Congratulations, you've made a laptop.